It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and an efficient 3-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, lane departure warning, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.